transforming your daily commute, rideshare shifts, and total vehicle security into an impenetrable surveillance grid without leaving blind spots unprotected usually means transitioning to an advanced, multi-channel environmental dashcam suite. The BOTSLAB 4-channel 360 degrees dashcam, model G980H, redefines cabin and perimeter automotive monitoring by combining simultaneous four-way recording, modular magnetic optics, and intelligent connectivity. The primary technological breakthrough centers on its 4-channel concurrent recording architecture, featuring a crisp 3K front camera, a full HD 1080p rear camera, and dual adjustable 1080p side cabin cameras equipped with 940nm infrared night vision. Instead of struggling with limited 2-channel fields of view that miss sideswipe impacts, door dings, or passenger incidents, this system utilizes synchronized lenses to capture a complete 360-degree safety envelope. Performance and everyday versatility streamline incident recreation, insurance claims, and continuous vehicle surveillance. Outfitted with ultra-fast 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi connectivity, the system lets you download massive multi-channel video files to your smartphone via the BOTSLAB app up to 500% faster than traditional 2.4 GHz units. Day-to-day usability is supercharged by a responsive 3.18-inch IPS touchscreen display, built-in high-precision GPS for tracking speed and travel coordinates, hands-free English voice controls, a reliable temperature-resistant supercapacitor design, 24/7 parking mode monitoring, and a bundled 128GB microSD card right out of the box. Things to consider before you buy complex multi-channel cable routing, because this system orchestrates 4 separate video streams simultaneously, front, rear, and 2 side wing units. Running and concealing the interconnect cables cleanly along your vehicle's headliner and trim requires a bit of patience during initial setup. Storage consumption rate. Recording 4 video feeds concurrently, 1 in 3K and 3 in 1080p, generates heavy data loads, while the included 128GB card gets you started smoothly. Heavy drivers utilizing continuous loop recording will eventually want to scale up to a maximum capacity 512GB card. So who is this really for? This 4-channel security system is an absolute home run for rideshare and taxi drivers, fleet operators, and safety-conscious commuters who demand absolute, zero blind spot documentation of everything happening outside and inside their vehicle. If you are looking for a minimal, single-lens windshield camera or a discrete rear-only device that installs in under 2 minutes, a simpler 1- or 2-channel dash cam will better match your minimalism. Is it worth the money? If you value true 360-degree multi-angle protection, simultaneous 3K and triple 1080p recording, infrared cabin night vision, fast 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi transfers, built-in GPS telemetry, a built-in touchscreen, and a generous 128GB memory card included standard, it is a premier, highly comprehensive investment for total peace of mind on the road.